Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to know your USDT address on Binance. To find USDT deposit address on Binance, follow these steps. Open up your Binance website on a preferred web browser and log into your account. Hover over to Wallet in the top right corner and click on Fiat and Spot in the drop-down menu. In the Fiat and Spot section, scroll down to use the search bar to find USDT. Once you find USDT, click on Deposit. After clicking Deposit, a window will appear and select USDT from the list of supported cryptocurrency. Make sure to choose the correct network. USDT can be in several different blockchains including Ethereum, Tron, Binance Smart Chain, and Bitcoin Base. Binance will provide you with multiple options, so ensure you select the right one for the platform you are withdrawing from. After selecting a network, you will be shown your USDT deposit address. Click on Copy button to copy the address to your clipboard. Once you have copied the address, you can use it to deposit USDT from an external wallet or exchange to your Binance account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.